Traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another binary option trading signal, yes, trading signals, binary signal video, yes, provided by this tool, which I have linked in the description. It's for free. You can get it for free. You need only to set your email and your password, and then you get this kind of signals. There are a few signals where I can show you this. There are the reversal signals, the trend algorithm, reversal algorithm, and the adaptive one. And also there are some for the cryptocurrency, which I never used, yes. I have shown you already how to trade the 1 minute. I have shown you already how to trade the 5 minute. And that will be maybe the last one, which is showing you how to trade the 15 minute. And this is one call here, yes, based on this signal here, which has an accuracy of 62%. But I'm not entering in this kind of trade based on this signal. This signal is only held. Yes, I'm entering because of price action, and I'm expecting that price will retrace back higher from this level based on, what is this here? This is only some trend line which I have from someone else. Okay, so because I'm sure that price will retrace back above this support and resistance level at the end of the expiration time of this running candle. I didn't you don't have to enter into a 15-minute trade from the appearance of this candle. You have to trade only the running candle. That means I have this running candle. This running candle is already running a lot of minutes. I don't know how many, maybe 7 minutes. So then you enter for the last 8 minutes after the signal appears. Yes, don't trade for the 15 minutes, because then there will happen maybe another candle, and that means that the next candle could get out of the money, and that would be not in the sense of the signal provider. Yes, that is not the concept how the signal provider is working. So yes, we have here another 8 minutes. I will wait, obviously, and if there will come up some new signal, I will validate the signal too, based on price action on those things which I have explained in the ebook. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame and any kind of financial instrument. So get this ebook, it's for free. You'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So this candle is doing some kind of panic. As you see, it's moving down, and I'm sure that price will retrace back from this level, because we have here a nice change of polarity. Here it was support, here we got resistance, so we broke this area again, and now I'm expecting that this area here will act as support level 2, and because we have here the 15-minute chart, this will take obviously a little bit longer, yes, because we have still 7 minutes. So if there will be another signal, I will take this trade too, because we have still how many time? Yes, another 6 minutes, yes. So if the next 1 minute and 52 will come up another signal, I will trade this, yes, to get the same expiration time like this what I have here. But I need to validate first the trade based on candlestick chart analysis and on price action in general, yes, candlestick patterns in this sense, and obviously also chart patterns, yes, support and resistance and all those kind of stuff. So all the concepts which I have explained in the ebook. So let's see. It's obviously not my trading style, waiting, and because for me there is no sense of doing 15 minutes trades, yes. When I do my 1 minute trade, it's much easier to get fast the money, and you jump into the market, do your few trades, and then you jump out of the market, and that is much easier with 1 minute. But anyway, for those one who don't are so fast in analyzing yes, in analyzing market conditions and everything. Yes, it could be helpful to do 15-minute trades. You can use also this kind of 15-minute trades, yes, to do trades based on Forex. Yes, you can do them on Forex, where you use the 15-minute signals as entry point for your half an hour or 1 hour or 4-hour trades. Yes, that is all possible. Obviously, you should always understand market condition and those other concepts which I have explained in the ebook to validate if those kind of signals are realistic and will work out. Yes, because if you trade them blindly, you will get most of the time out of the money. Or you should focus mostly on those kinds of signals which has a high probability, which means at least those 6 errors here or six signal lines, which means that those signals are more than 70% accurate. That means that those signals, if you are trading only those kind of signals, you are getting profitable on the long run. So you see we are getting up. I'm not validating this kind of signals here because they are looking all too weak for me. Those 60% are too weak to get them done. I can do a validation. Let me see if I can see Australian dollar. Let me see. The problem is we have already the new candle. Yes, we have already the new candles. That would take me another 20 minutes, and I will not take so much time. Yes, because I do not have the time. So I will not do any kind of other trade. It's a little bit sad. Maybe I will do another video about this 15-minute trades. Signals provided by this tool, which I have linked in the description, which is for free. You need only to register with your email and the password, and then you can use those kind of signals. But yes, maybe I will do another video about this because one trade is a little bit sad. Yes, I was expecting some more trades in 15 minutes, but it was not possible because of this. But you see how nice they work. More higher the time frame. Yes. 15 minutes signals are much more accurate than the 5 minute. The 5 minutes are more accurate than the 1 minute, but mixed with price action and candlestick analysis and those concepts which I have explained in the ebook, you can push those 70% signals or 78% signals, which was the highest, which I got once. Yes, you can push them to another level. Yes, that means you can get at least 85, 90%, 85. I would say 85 because there's always a random factor and you cannot be always right. So I would say 85%. 80%, 85, and you need only 62% to be profitable on the long run. Yes, you can get if you are doing a lot of trades with 62%, you will make good money. Yes, with 80% payout. Watch my winning rate simulator to understand this. Yes. That is what that should be the win rate. And if you are trading only 70% strong signals, which have an accuracy of 70% or more, you will make profit on the long run. Yes, you cannot fail. You have only to sit on your hands, waiting for such signals. Yes, doing a little bit of candlestick analysis and price action stuff, which I have explained in the ebook, and then you will get profitable. Yes, nothing is easier than this. Yes, it is really easy. Yes, and also you see this trade here had an accuracy about above 70%. Yes, I have done a little bit price action, a little bit support and resistance level. Yes, and you see this was like a sure shot here. Yes, price was all the time below this, but it was a sure shot because we are here still in the ranging market. We are going away from the 1 deviation Bollinger Band, and that is all those kind of stuff which I'm explaining you all over again in the 1 minute. Yes, time frame is the same on 5 minutes, on 15 minutes, on half an hour, on 1 hour, on 1 day, and you can apply it to any kind of financial instrument, any kind of broker, and any kind of time frame. And that is what should be the main motivation to study those things, to watch those things, and to apply those things to your trading style. Yes, and if you have such kind of tool which is providing signals, which is which is giving you signals instead that you are going to search and you trade only those one which are in confluence with your price action. First of all, your confidence will increase. Second, you will get much more used to good trading setups, yes, and yes, and you start not to trade each and every candlestick. Yes, you wait only till the tool will give you a signal, and after it gives you a signal, you trade this if it goes in confluence, and also if you are going wrong, you get a 70 or 78% true signal. Yes, your analysis are telling you the same, and you are going into this trade, and then this trade goes wrong. You can still say, yes, that was a good trade, but the odds were not on it's gone wrong, yes, because every trade can go wrong, yes, and so that is a nice thing. So you have seen we got this in the money, yes, after 15 minutes. The complete trade. I will maybe show you another video about this, yes, but for this it would be already enough. I have talked like I never talked before, so I would say that was it. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe, and if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.